Hello everyone. So this is my first YouTube video of the coding series. I will be, as the name says, coding, but I got a disclaimer because my coding skills aren't very good. I can do basic things and that's what I'll be doing. So if you came here to learn anything, don't take it seriously. But if you just want to cheer, then go ahead to watch it. The first video will be about making a timer. I made a GIMP. Wait, did I turn it off? No. That's how it has to look like. So like there will be 3 buttons, one to start, one to at kind of checkpoint, like I don't know how to call it, when there's some time pops up and you have it reset, and reset, so when you just turn back to 0. I made it where it was a speed run, so I think it will be looking kinda different. Okay, Discord. So let's start. Oh my god. Typos. So yeah, it works. I gotta manage the space. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, so this is the window. Let's link the CSS that doesn't exist yet. And the JS file. I think I will make the full script in one file. Sorry if my mouse is loud, but I don't know how to make it not annoy anyone. Okay, so I will leave it for later. Okay, so there will be... Why is there? Okay. Okay, so make one container for... The name timer will be on the header. Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually make it caps lock. Yeah, timer. This default font of Linux, of Firefox is very nice. But I think I will still give a different one. Okay. Container. I think the only function of this container will be the default time. I don't know if I actually make the second button for the, checking times. I don't know if that's necessary. Okay, let's set it as P at this moment. On default it has to be 0, 0 anyway. Div buttons. Okay. So I make the buttons now. Button 1. Wait, I can do it faster. Where was the... I'm not used to this keyboard yet. Okay, this is good. No, not here. I'm so dummy. Okay. So let's move to CSS at this now, because I still have a lot to do with it. Okay, body. This is word. No, I forgot it's on default. height, I don't want it, I don't want any scrolls here, no. Margin 0, the same with padding. I want it to be direct, because if it was raw, it would look like this, yeah, aside of. I gotta make the justify content and everything like this to be going to the center. Wait, maybe I skip it. Now I forgot. I confused justify content and items. I meant it to be going from the top. Actually, I don't care yet. Okay, let's move to the header. It has to occupy the whole width, yeah. It is not flexed yet, so that's why it goes to left, I guess. Okay, height, not header. I guess I'll type like maybe 20 view height. Okay. Actually, I will change the background color to black. Yeah, no, everything is. So the default color of the text goes to white. Okay, I'm amazing. Font. I will take Jersey. Wait. So 25. Okay, this is okay. Good. Font. Nice. So it will be. Yeah, what changes? Font family goes to Jersey 25. Eventually sans serif. This, yeah. Font size. I don't know how big it is. Wait, let's say view height. Is it better now? Could be more? Okay, the timer is good, but for how was it named? Container. The first thing I am doing is font size to 10 view height. Yeah, let's make it smaller here. And bigger here again. Yeah, display flags, justify content center, and align items to the center. Nice. The same goes for here. Width has to be the max flex 1 because I wanted to take all of the area not taken by the header and by the bottom. It was named buttons, very creative. Width also 100. Height maybe at the same fringe. Okay, it is a bit okay. I gotta make something. Okay, the word timer maybe bigger. I get back to 5. Yeah, nearly. I gotta fix the buttons. Give me some time. I'll give some class. Okay, this will be the most creative. Wait, nah, it's also class buttons. It's a shame. Okay, let's leave it without a comment. Anyway. Ooh. Okay, so the button has to be, it either has to be white, full white, or have white border and be black inside, as it was in GIMP file, it was full white. Let's background color be white. Okay. Height, let's say it in px. What's happening? Fuck. Okay, it has to be bigger, I guess. It is not perfect yet. Maybe I should say it in view height. I don't know it. Okay, padding will be like 10. Oh, it is not working? Ah, wait, padding is not that. It is margin. Yeah, it is better now. Let's make it even bigger. I will give 100, maybe switch it to view height later. Okay, it's not that terrible. Maybe the border has to be some different color. Oh, I have idea. It will be maybe even whiter than the rest, or maybe not. Or maybe if I did some third color. Okay, at this moment. Okay, it has to be ball. Yeah. Okay, it is better now. Box shadow, some shadow, so it looks better. Some random numbers, I don't want to think very much. 5 per x, bx. I always give colors like this, but I don't, wait, it has to be white shadow, not black, because it changes nothing. At this moment it looks like abomination. I think it would be better if it was negative. Wait, this is not. This is good, be 300. Change it back to 5. I will actually add some border to PA 5. X solid, and it should be Y. Actually, I don't know how it works. I can see it. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it doesn't still look good. Wait, what if I turn it to black? Let it be bigger. Okay, it's not good, but I think it has potential. First of all, give it to 0. Okay, it is still not good. I'm overcooking. Okay, never mind it for now. Okay, this will be 5, and now never mind it. Maybe some bigger margin. Margin. No, I think it's pronounced margin. Never mind. Okay. It will be good to add some hover. Who is? Ah, never mind. Someone is calling. Size. How do I give the size? Not in that way. Transfer maybe? scale. It is okay. Do I add some else? And when it is active, maybe it will change color. Okay, let's give the wireframe changing. It's okay, but I wanted to add some different. Okay, let it be yellow. I don't know if it's good. Anyway, I can leave it for now, and later I will do something to improve it. Okay, let's get rid of that border. It is not good. Wait. Okay, so start. I could add some text actually. Another struggle of styling. So maybe I should name it some like check. I don't know how it's named actually. Wait, let me go from my phone. My clock in the phone. It is named. Okay, there's no name. It's just, yeah. Okay, so I'm stop it. Actually, I thought about just adding some icons instead of, but it is not good for moment for this. Okay, it doesn't look bad. Font size will be, let's check it. Height, trivia height. It is actually a good idea. I think it's not that bad. Okay, it doesn't have to look perfectly. I'm wasting 20 minutes just for the site to look like this. Never mind. Const timer equals. Actually, I can get rid of this because I don't know if I even going to use it. I got no idea where to put it on the site now. Command get element by puta. It was button 1. Nah, it was not button 1. Timer? Just the time, okay. Okay, so I got to do an infinite loop. It has to repeat 100 times a second because I have those two numbers, by the way. I don't remember how to make it unselectable like this. I don't care. I can do it here, okay. Function counting. Nice, okay. Time. Wait, I don't remember the time. I don't want to use the date module. I care about. I'm so dummy. How do I actually count the time? I really don't know. Set timeout, okay. So I gotta change my idea for it. refresh to refresh the timer so it follows the new time function. You'll get it later. It has to be integer. I will use int like. How did I confused JavaScript with C++ when I'm not even coding in C++? It is nonsense. Okay, so it has to be, and that's all, I think. I can actually even write it like this. I think it works. Yeah, it works. Refresh. The refresh function now. Okay, so it has to format in a correct way. Wait, actually, so it looks okay. Okay, so it has to be, it has seconds, it has minutes, and when it's bigger than an hour, it has, it has hours. So like, there are these seconds in an hour, and there are this 100th. So if it is bigger or equal than 360,000, it has to, at hours? I don't know. Actually, I should use modulo, not while loops. Okay. Time. Time modulo 300,000. Wait, yeah, this exactly. Is it written correctly? Actually, I'm not sure. Again, no idea for the name. It has to just, It looks okay. Let minutes. So 60 times 100, so 6,000, I guess. What am I doing? Wait, it was with shift. Seconds. Hundred. It looks okay. It's not milliseconds. Okay, I think it's something like this. Just T. Okay, so now. By the way, when I click start, it has to change its word. So actually, I will take this because I won't do it anyway. Stop. Still button. By the way, unlock it. Reset. If hours are bigger than 0, I can do it in an ethical way, and I can do it in an unethical way. Okay, I will make it in the worst one, so it gets faster and don't have to think. let text, I don't know how to name it, equals hours. I don't know if it is going to complain about using integers matched with strings. Let's see. Minutes. Plus seconds. I'm so dummy now. Wait, what am I doing? Actually, seconds, if it's even a thing. Else, so this is, I set interval, but function start set interval 100 time 100, so it will be new time function, and the second will be 10 milliseconds, I guess. I gotta use the console. Duck the bottom. What happens actually? I did link it, by the way. Okay, so when I click it, there shall be start, just in case I gotta add some console log. Hi. What? It is working. Set interval. Third, okay, it is working. Not that button. Okay, time is one more than it was. So actually, it is as it should be. It is changing. By the way, I think it was going correct. Never mind. Okay, so it progresses, I guess. Yeah, because the text, nothing is happening with text. I am stupid. Timer in no text content. I'm fighting with my keyboard. Never mind. Text is not defined. Hold on. What it refers to at this moment? What if I do it like this? By the way, it will be better now. It is word. I think that's because it is not complex string. type conversion. It has okay, so it just has to. I will make it in an analytical way. Because I will make it here, here, and here. But not for hours, because the loop has to work somehow. Unless... Nah, I will make it here. Okay. It's actually... I'm going to be crucified after it. String. Not string. Number, yeah. It has to work. It's not working. It is not about... Wait, what? What do you mean text? It is still... By the way, how many times it okay, never mind. Okay, I don't get this, how it works actually. Oh, it is good now. It may be... But wait, why do I think it is not about it, but wait, okay. We're closer. It's still not that bad. Although, we are getting closer. Now I got that thing. Well, it counts the 3000 hours. Okay, I know it now. Because the decreasing system is terrible. I'm sorry to everyone who were staring at this and seeing how terrible it was. It is even weirder. Because it is string. Oh my god. It is abomination again, but whatever it takes. It is bad again. Hey, what am I doing that bad? How is it possible? It is only a clock. I'm taking 42 minutes doing it. Save. It closed. Never mind. Okay. So the minutes are getting... Wait, the hours are rising. The minutes are negative somehow. Oh my god. It has no sense. What am I doing? It has no sense, man. wait, t minus t modulo per this number, and everything divided by this number. Maybe this will work. It's hard to say. I don't know if it will work now, but damn. This has to work, man. It is too much, by the way. I don't know why I'm doing this. It is... I think it is working. I am going to break some laws of the nature. Just to debug. It is going 10 times faster, I guess. Let's see if it's how it works when it gets to the minute. I'm not going to see about an hours because that's too long to wait, I guess. And there's no shorter interval than one, I guess. Also, how to unset interval? I should add something to add 0 before it, but damn. Create interval. How do I use it? In vertical? It's not funny, I know. In vertical. Oh my god. It is as it should be. Nice. Not now. Hold on. Okay, and the last one. It's funny that now I go so fast. Function reset. I think that's how it is named. Time equals 0 again. Refresh. It is not what I should want. Okay, it's not the most ethical way, but damn. Okay, it is not the end. It is... It is weird. Okay, it is... Wait. Okay, it is... It is interesting. Okay, it was very easy. it has to. Okay, the only thing I want to add is to this first zero. I gotta use the ternary operator. I mean, I don't have to, but I want. It will be 40 seconds for sure. I don't know if it works like this, but yeah. Seconds divided by what do I mean? Are created or equal than 10. Then I want to add 0. No. Not insert. I misclicked it. It would be terrible. Or none plus seconds. I don't know, it may be an abomination. It is not working, by the way. Okay, that's all anyway. I'm giving up. It doesn't look as good as I wanted, but it makes its basic target. By the way, I spent 52 minutes doing it. It's not a good result, but could be worse. Maybe I will add it on GitHub. Like, I don't know if I want to make a GitHub full of trash like this shit. But we'll see. Anyway, if anyone decided to watch it, I don't know how long this video will be because I will be, making pauses. It may be half this length, I don't know. But anyway, if someone watched it, thank you for being here. If you seen some things that I made, there are thousands of things that are looking like the greatest abomination of the Third Republic of Poland. So you are free to join the discussion in the comments and say what I am doing wrong and what I can change. And yeah, bye bye.